Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have Capcut open. Now load the clip and position the playhead precisely where the snapshot will come from. Use zoom to refine the timeline, because tighter zoom means frame-accurate capture. Once the playhead is stable, pause the video. Do not rely on live playback. Make sure you can see the preview window clearly and use frame-by-frame arrows to get the exact frame. This precision avoids blurry or off-timed snapshots. Now capture the frame. Tap the three-dot menu or the snapshot camera icon in the preview area because that's where Capcut places export tools. Select Export Frame or Snapshot and then pick resolution and file format if prompted. Higher resolution keeps quality, though larger files. Once you confirm, save to the gallery or project assets and give the file a clear name. This helps you find it later and ensures the snapshot is stored outside the temporary project cache. Finish by checking the saved image in your gallery to confirm sharpness and framing. If it looks soft, recapture at a higher resolution or adjust the playhead. If the snapshot did not save, make sure Capcut has storage permissions and restart the app before trying again, because cached glitches often clear on restart. Once correct, re-import the image into your project or share it directly. This completes the workflow and keeps your assets organized for future edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.